By the way, he never snores.
I know, he never snores. He is sleeping hardcore.
At 6:30, he fell asleep. At night.
He is just sawing them logs.
So now we're not going to the park for a picnic. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification button for more videos like this.